welcome back to my channel. Today I am making iced coffee, but first please do subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get to that. So what you would need is your glass that you will be drinking this out of and ice cubes. So let's put in our ice cubes in here. 2 or 3 is fine. I'm just gonna put 2, it actually cooled down the weather, so it's a little bit chilly out there. So I do have instant coffee in here, and I do have about 1 tablespoon, and it's the same instant coffee as my Dalgona coffee. Please check that out. I will put it linked up above. And you would need 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, 1 tablespoon, 2. As you can see here, there's still the little chunks in the coffee. So I do have, again, about 1 tablespoon of coffee and 2 tablespoons of water. And we're gonna put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. This is what it looks like after heated up. Nice and warm as well. I have about 1 cup of milk, and you want to add it in slowly and a little bit. Just about 1/4 or so. And then we'll put in 1 tablespoon of coffee. You want to take a spoon and mix it. And then continue the process. A little bit of milk. Coffee. And you don't want too many coffee in there as well, just because if not it gets super strong, but put as much as you want to. So keep topping up your glass with milk, and also it depends on how big or how small your glass is. Our secret ingredient, what I want to show you, is maple syrup. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon a teaspoon of maple syrup right in there. And mix it again. I know there's a lot of mixing in this, but it's worth it in the end, trust me. To top it off, I'm gonna be using whipped cream, and this just makes it all better. This is my version of the iced coffee, and if you don't want to go to Timmy's or anything like that and wait in line, try this out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. And thank you for watching.